Alright, it went to Jared. Jared's going to try 2 of these. Box number 4 and box number 7. 4, 5, 6, 7. 23, 24. David, 179.95. They're on the website. Link down below if you want to see it. 23, 24. 310. Starting off, jersey autograph franchise. Oh, sorry, Timeless Treasures, Donruss, Kyrie Irving. That was number 36 of 50. That's from the 17-18 Donruss. Kyrie. And with it, Gem Mint 10, red, white, and blue prism, Eric Pascal. Got 2 in that one. And Donovan Mitchell prism autograph. Getting more autographs in this set, I see, versus just inserts. We just hit 2 in 2 boxes. That's from the 18-19 prism. Donovan Mitchell. All right, that does it. Thanks a lot, Jared. Oh, appreciate it, man.